Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a great week. If this is your first time here, my name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Looks, a channel that is for fashion, lifestyle, and beauty, but mostly fashion. So I am still on vacation, loving my vacation, and it's still my birthday. If you don't know, I celebrate my birthday all month of August. So that means I have more goodies. I have bought a lot of stuff, and I would like to share with you what I just got recently. I have never done an unboxing, but I'm about to. So if this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so as I said, I have an unboxing that I'm going to do, and I am excited about this. I have been looking for a pink Chanel bag for some time. I have been looking on the pre-loved market, but I think they ask too much on these pink bags on the pre-love market. I don't know guys, what do you guys think about the pre-love market? Is it overpriced still? Do you think if it's a bag that's 5 or 10 years old, you should still pay thousands of dollars for it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So my thinking is, if I'm going to spend a lot of money, I prefer to just spend a little extra money and get something brand new out the store so I can experience the purchasing experience, and every time I use that bag, pick it up, shoes, whatever it is that you purchased, it will take you back to what store you bought it from, where you were at if you were on vacation. So I just prefer to just spend the extra and just buy new, unless I'm really getting a good deal like I did on my Dior bags this year. So it just depends. But as I said, I don't want to get long-winded. I wanted a pink bag. I thought I wanted a flap, so I've been looking for a flap, but I decided, since I have already 3 flaps, that I would do something different this time. So here is my bag, or I'm sorry, the package. I just love how Chanel packages their things. It just always is so nice. Makes you feel like a princess, like it's Christmas every time that you get something from them, Dior, from anybody. So here is the box again. Okay, and here is my receipt. Let's undo. I don't know about you guys, but I always hate to undo the ribbon. I try to save it if I can, but it's not always possible. so you guys can see what I'm doing. Was able to save it without tearing it up the ribbon. All right, so here we are. Here is my dust bag. Okay, the dust bag. Here's my booklet. All right, here she is. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? So this is the small drawstring bag in the color, I want to say it's rose something. I don't see it on the, it just says on the card pink. Okay. Here it is. It also comes with a strap. Here she is. So I will do mod shots. It's really roomy. I know I can fit my phone, card holder, possibly wallet. I will, if you guys are interested, I will do a what fits in this bag. So if you're interested in this bag, it is spring summer 2020. After it is gone, it's gone, they say. So I really love the color. I don't have a pink bag. Well, and I do have a pink bag. I have a Gucci pink, but it's like a pale powder pink. So to me, this is going to be a great pop of color, which I am excited about. And you will have to tell me what you think. I'm going to do mod shots for you really quick. So guys, that concludes my video. Tell me what you think about my beautiful bag. I love her so far. I have not used her yet because I just unboxed her for you, but I will do another video that will show what I think about it, how it wears, also what actually will fit in this bag. I think it's the perfect small size. I think it's very cute. I just cannot wait to wear it. So tell me what you think. Leave comments. And if you like this video, I'd ask that you would please subscribe if you have not already done that. Share. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, week, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.